Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through the best Cowrywise investment mistakes to avoid. We all make mistakes, but some can be costly when investing. Today I'm outlining the best Cowrywise investment mistakes to avoid so you can protect your capital and build wealth smarter. Here are a few pitfalls to stay clear of. 1. Failing to diversify. Do not put all your eggs in one basket, whether it is one stock or one type of mutual fund. Spread your money across different asset classes. For example, you can combine money market funds with some equities to manage risk. 2. Chasing past performance. You see, just because a fund did well last year doesn't guarantee future returns. So focus on the fund's fundamentals and whether it aligns with your long-term goals and risk tolerance. 3. Making emotional decisions. Don't panic and sell when the market drops or greedily buy into the latest hype. Stick to your financial plan. Rely on logic